Hi guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel, The Lioness Within. Today I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute look in case you don't have enough time to do a full face or anything. This is what I normally do. So if you're excited for that, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already primed my face with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm still working with that. Okay, so when I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup, I don't go in with foundation. I go in with a powder foundation. So today I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in 110. And as you can see, I have gone through a lot of this powder. So I just go in with a brush. I just want a nice even layer of this. Okay. And also, when I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup, I won't do contour at all. Sometimes if I want like a quick little contour, then I'll take this brush that I use for contour and I will just take whatever is like on there from doing my makeup before and I just blend it. Because you can see there's like a little tiny bit and I'm okay with that because I mean, it's better than nothing. And so I do go into blush because I always need blush. I'm extremely pale. You could probably tell that. But I'm extremely pale. I use a lot of products to put color and like warmth into my face because I am so pale. So I can never skip blush. Like that's one thing that I cannot skip because it brings like life back into my face. So with this e.l.f. tapered brush, it looks like that. I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go in with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into highlighter, and I think this is a Normad highlighter. I can't tell if it's in the shade Stockholm or Midnight Sun because it literally just says Stockholm / Midnight Sun. So I don't know, but it's this little tiny one. It looks like this. My NYX professional makeup brush in 16. It looks like this. And I'm gonna go in and highlight with that. And if you're like in a rush or anything, like you don't have to do highlighter, but I love highlighter, so I always do highlighter. and this is obviously going to take more than 5 minutes because I'm talking. But if I like sit down and just like get through all of this, then this is normally what I do, and it normally does take me around like 5 or 6 minutes. So for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Milani Most Loved Max, which looks like this. And normally I just do something simple. So I'm just going in with that first shade, which is Fancy Vanilla. And I'm going in and going all over the eye with that. I'm going to take another e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going to go into Toast of the Town, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm going to take a flatter brush like this, and I'm going to take Bust a Mauve, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. Okay, you can't really see that, so I'm going to take No Rum Intended, which is this one, and I'm going to put that over top. Just going to blend everything. Okay, and then I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm going in with that first shade, that Toast of the Town, and I'm going to put that down here. Okay, now I'm going to take that No Plum Intended, and I'm just going to and now I'm going to spray my face real quick with the Wet n Wild Rose Primer Water. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's in black, and I'm just going to go over my lashes with this. Okay. And then I'm going to go and with the Katy Perry and CoverGirl Katy Cat Matte Lipstick in Pink Paws. Looks like that. And normally if I'm doing my makeup really quick, I always go in with a pink or a nude color. I don't know why, it's just what I do. So that is my quick makeup look. You know, if I have 5 minutes to get ready, this is normally a look that I would do. Sometimes I will just do a like white color over my eyes, and then I'll put something into my crease. I'll do the lower lid, put mascara on, and that's it. Sometimes I do have enough time to where I can play with it a little bit more, but normally I do something that's very simple. So if you enjoyed this look, go ahead and give me a like. Comment down below if you like what you do for like a quick makeup look. Like how do you do your makeup? Like what products do you use? What products do you like not use? Like normally if you have enough time, like what products that you would use then do you not use when you have, you know, enough time? So I hope you like this look. If you would like to join the Pride and subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, go ahead and hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.